you can figure out what's going on by asking how and why and what you think is going on.
And if you keep on searching, you'll come upon the cause. The cause of what is going on.
Cause when you're face to face with something new, it might be just a shadow that is fooling you.
And now I'll get to sleep, cause the mystery is gone. It's nice to know what's going on. It's nice to know what's going on. It's nice to know what's going on.
Find more of your PBS Kids friends on your local PBS station and the free PBS Kids video app. Also subscribe to the PBS Kids Prime Video channel.